We built this custom pavilion in Muttontown, New York. Was completed with vinyl columns and some Azak trimming. The inside ceiling is exposed beam stained in a mahogany color. We created a storage area with a backdrop wall to accommodate the 2 TVs. We used G36 marble pavers select from the Gappsi Natural Stone Collection. The wall and the bar island we veneered with the silver travertine 4 inches tumbled split face, and above wall was completed with epay wood, also stained with a natural finish. The client uses this area as outdoor entertainment. They put a little outdoor pool table, sofa area, in the island we installed a small sink, summit refrigerator, and a twin eagle griddle with storage cabinets. The bar area is facing the TV. Very beautiful job. Clients are very happy. We also restored the pool area patio. We utilized the same old Nicolock Village paver in Granite City and releveled and installed polymeric sand in the paver joints. The clients also purchased a spa, passion spa from Gappsi. Latest Gappsi Project in Muttontown, Nassau County, New York.